Just a minute, let's see what we got here. Oh my word! That's one. Whoa, now let's look at these. Now we got these. Now let's look what we have here. Now we got those.
Wow.
Now let's see what we have here. Oh my goodness! Now we got those.
We can make some sweet potato pie.
Sweet potato pie. Okay. How many minutes do you have?
1 minute and 5 seconds.
Okay. Well, why don't we bring them over to the wagon? Oh my word! Whoa! Well, you're gonna have to get a bigger wagon.
Let me see.
No.
Whoa, we need almost 2 people to haul it. Hey, wait, there's more. Oh,
Well, you get some too, Camilla.
You did?
Wow. Well, Heidi, next year I want to get bigger ones. How's that? Now let's put our thumbs up. Come at it. Put your thumb up. Thumb up. Okay.